Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure your identity and account are verified. This avoids holds later. Once logged in, inspect your balance and any wagering requirements so you know what funds are eligible. Go to the wallet or cash out section in the app. This is where withdrawals start. If you can't find it, use the menu or search. Take these actions now so the next steps, choosing a method and entering details, won't be delayed. You choose the withdrawal method that suits you. Different options change speed and fees. Once done, carefully enter the payout amount and the destination details, account number, e-wallet ID, or card info, because errors cause rejection. Make sure the amount meets minimums and doesn't exceed limits. If partial withdrawals are allowed, decide whether to leave a play balance. Finally, review fees and estimated processing time. Then confirm to submit the withdrawal request for processing. You finalize by confirming the request and saving the transaction reference. This speeds up tracking if issues arise. After submission, monitor the withdrawal status inside the app and watch your email for confirmations or additional requests. If the payout stalls, first recheck that your ID and payment details are correct. Often a missing verification step causes delays. If everything looks right but funds don't arrive within the stated timeframe, contact customer support with your reference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.